You may come have across this type of questions. Let us see what the question is. A man has 25 cows. All cows are numbered 1 to 25. All cows provide as many liters of milk as their number. That is, cow number 5 gives 5 liters of milk, cow number 25 gives 25 liters of milk, and so on. The man has 5 sons. How can these cows be divided among 5 sons such that all get an equal number of cows producing an equal amount of milk? You may have changes as a man has, instead of 25, you may have say 49 cows. All cows are numbered from 1 to 49 and they provide as many liters of milk as their number. And the man has 7 sons, and how can the cows be divided among 7 sons such that all get an equal amount of cows producing an equal amount of milk? Or 49 can be replaced as 81 cows, and then here in place of 7 you may have 9 sons. And how can these cows be divided among 9 sons so that each son gets equal number of cows producing an equal amount of milk? Now, how to solve it? An easy solution to this question may be like this. Arrange the numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, write it in one row, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, write it in the front part. Then after start 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Start with 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 is here, 22, 23, 24, 25. And now add these numbers. So here when you add these numbers you will get all to be 65. Okay, so each son should get these number of cows, that is 1, 10, 14, 18 and 22, so that he will get the amount of milk to be 65. Similarly for the others also. There are multiple solutions of this type of questions. Let's solve it using magic square. Everybody knows that magic squares have always fascinated the people for thousands of years. It helps critical thinking skills of a person. This engaging game is always great for many reasons. So let's start. If the number of cows are 25, then what is the total amount of milk? That is, you need to add the numbers from 1 to 25, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4 and so on up to 25. So sum of n natural numbers, the formula is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So here you have 25 into 26 upon 2. So here you have 25 into 13, that comes to 325 liters. So each son should get 325 upon 5, that is 65 liters of milk. If the number of cows are 49, then total amount of milk will be 49 into 50 divided by 2. So here you have 49 into 25, that is 1225 liters. Okay, so each son should get 1225 divided by 7. So here you have 175 liters. If the number of cows are 81, then the total amount of milk will be 81 into 82 upon 2, that is 81 into 41, that is 333 321 liters. So here you have 321 upon 9, that is 369 liters of milk each son should get. Okay, now how to arrange the number of cows, and the children should get equal amount of milk also. Let's see using magic square. We will try to arrange the numbers in 5 by 5 magic square, and simultaneously we are going to see for 7 by 7 magic square as well as 9 by 9 magic square. Now let's start the things. In 5 by 5 you have to arrange the numbers from 1 to 25. So how to proceed? That is, you have to start from the topmost corner in the center square, that is, write 1 in the center. Now move 1 square to the right and come to the bottom line, write there 2. Then move diagonally to the right side, write 3. Okay, this much steps. If it is clear, let's go with here also, so that you are clear with this much steps. So 7 by 7, I need to write the numbers from 1 to 49. I need to start from the center column with number 1, that is here, the center is here. Go to one square to the right and move to the bottom line, write there 2, and then move diagonally. That is, here you have 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here suppose this is your 9 by 9 magic square. Then the center one is here 1. Move 1 square to the right and come to the bottom line, write 2. Move diagonally and write the others number 3, 4 and 5. Now what is the next step? That is, here when you are at the right side, again you have to come to the left side and then move 1 square to the top and write the next number. That is, up to 3 you have written, so 4 will come here, write 4. Then move diagonal, that is 5 here, and if no space is there, you will come 1 square down and write 6. Okay, then move diagonal 7 and 8. Now when you are at the top, again as we have done for 1, the similar procedure we are going to follow. That is, 1 square to the right and come to the bottom line. So here if it is 8, come here with the following number, that is 9. Now if 9 is here, 1 square I have to move to this side, left side, writing 10 there. Now in diagonal I have no space, so 1 square I will come down. So here it will be 11, and then write 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, now 15 is here. Now you don't have any space over here. Come 1 square down and write the next number, that is 16. Now this side you are, so you have to move to this side. So 16, if it is here, 1 square above that, so 17. And now we will follow the first rule, that is 1 square to the right and bottom line, write 18 and move diagonally, 19 and 20. No space is there, so 1 square down, write 21, move diagonal, 22. Now when you are here, you have to move to left side, so 22 is here, 23 I need to write here, 24 is here, and now 24 is here, so 25 will be here. Remember that if 1 is here, the last number should come here, and the center numbers are this one. You should have it in diagonal. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, the middle numbers. Okay, let's see here once again. First 7 by 7. So I have to start from the center, that is 1 here, then 2 on this side, 1 square on the right side where I have written 1. Move diagonal 3 and 4. Now this side, if 4 is here, 5 I need to write here 5, 6, 7, no space here. So 1 square down I have to come, 8 and move diagonal 9 and 10. Now when 10 is here, 11 should be here, then 12, then 12 is here, so 13 I need to write here, 13 and now diagonal 14, no space here, so 1 square down, write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now this is 19, so 20 I need to write here, 20. Now 21 should come here. Now no space in the diagonal, so 22. Now move diagonally 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now no space here, so 1 square down, 29. Now when 29 is here, 30 should come here, 30 and now 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and now no space here in the diagonal, so 36 here, 37. Now 37 is here, so 38 I need to write here, 38, 39 and now 39 is here, so 40 should be here, 40, 41, 42, no space here, so 43. Then move diagonal 44, 45, 45 is here, so 46 I need to write here, 47, 48 and now 49. Check the numbers, first number and last number, yes, and here 20 to 20, 22 to 28, the center numbers are written in the diagonals. Okay, let's redo for 9 by 9. So here we have again with the center square 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is here, so I need to move to the left side, write 6, 7, 8, 9, no space in the diagonal, so 1 square down, 10, 11, 12. Now I have reached the top, I should move to the bottom part, write 13, 14, 15. Now 15 years, 16 I should write here, 17, 18, no space over there, so 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now 24 should be here, 25, 26 should be here, 27, no space here, 1 square down, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I have reached the top line, so 35 should be here, 36 is here, no space here in the diagonal, 37 here, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now no space here, so 46, 1 square down, 47 here. Now top line I have reached, so 48 should be here, 48, move diagonal, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Now no space here, so 55, 56, now 57, move diagonal, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, no space, 64, 65, 66, move to the left side, 67, 68, 69 and now 70 should here, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and now 77, 78, 79, 80, and now this will be 81. Check these numbers. Also check the diagonals. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Now let us see the sum of the vertical columns as well as horizontal rows. So the numbers in 5 by 5 magic squares, in vertical columns you have these numbers 17, 23, 4, 10 and 11 and so on, and add them up. So here you get 65 in each case. Check them out. Here also when you check the horizontal rows, that is 17, 24, 1, 8, 15, and the others also, when you check and add them up, it will come to 65 liters. Okay, so each person gets 5 cows and the numbers are provided which number of cows they should get, and they will provide a total of 65 liters of milk. Similarly, for the others also, you may check the sum of the vertical columns as well as horizontal rows also.